Now I will show that this SLK230 is already on post start conversion kit by Cardot smart car alarm system. So I'll show you that this is already finished. Okay. Engine stop. Okay. So I'll show you that this is also a hands-free lock unlock. So once we get away from the car, so it will automatically lock. Okay. Okay. So it is also emergency lock unlock. Once your battery getting low, so you can use the RFID reader for emergency lock and unlock. So this transmitter have no battery, so I will tap on the reader. Okay, unlock, unlock. Okay, once you want to lock, so just tap again. Okay, lock, unlock. So no need to use your emergency manual key. So it has also a remote start. Okay, so we can stop. Okay, start. Okay. So now we will stop the engine. Okay. So it has a simple button for siren muting. Just steady press the lock. It's already on silent mode. So see. Okay. Lock. Unlock. So no sounds. So if you want have a siren, just press again. So it has already a siren. Very easy to use. So you want to silent, just press the lock button. So it's already in silent mode. Lock, unlock, lock. Start the engine.